Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here. In today's video, you're going to hear about a very interesting project called Something Fishy that includes potential for passive income for life. Now please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Something Fishy? What is all the noise about this beautiful project? So it's actually a beautiful NFT collection of 8,888 collectible fishes that is going to be stored in the Solana blockchain. Each fish is unique, and you won't find a fish with the same attributes as another fish. Now, the 1st of November is going to be a pre-sale of 1,000 fishes that are going to be available for minting, and the rest will be sold in the main sale. Now, the main sale date will be announced after the pre-sale. So in order to stay notified, it's very smart for you to actually follow them on their social medias. Now, in order to get to their social medias, you need to get to their website called somethingfishy.art by clicking the link down below, or just Google somethingfishy.art and actually get to their social medias. As you can see, you can join to their Discord and you can actually join to their Twitter. Now, as you can see, they have a pretty active Twitter. As you can see, you will be able to stay notified about each thing and each event. And also, I believe that you will have a smile on your face when you will look on their funny and amusing different posts. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask them on their Discord or their Twitter. Now, I know that there are a lot of NFT projects that in their launch or their pre-launch, they're very expensive right off the bat. And it actually takes from a lot of people the option to actually get started in the NFT market if they don't have a big capital. And the beauty in this project is that you'll be able to mint as much as you want, like to mint as much NFTs as you want. And each mint will be only 2 Solanas. And as I said, the 2 Solana is going to be the price only for the minting. So if this project will actually grow and succeed, so it will probably be able to grow more and more. Now, besides the idea that you will pay the floor price of 2 Solanas, I think one of the amazing thing in this project is that you actually, as a minter, will get 20% of all the royalties whenever a fish is going to be traded indefinitely, meaning forever. And it's exactly like as it sounds. It's going to be passive income, exactly like real estate, exactly passive income that you're getting from dividends on holding stocks and stuff like that. So besides the idea of when the NFT will grow to sell it with profits, but you will still, just from minting one of them, you will be able to have passive income. And as much NFTs that you will have, the more possibility to more passive income you will have. Now, of course, the minters won't get all the royalties, but they will get 20% forever. And holders of the NFTs will actually get 80% of all the royalties while they are holding the NFT. Now, besides that, the holders are going to actually get also airdrop caviar tokens. Now, as I said, there is only going to be ever 8,883 fishes, and this will be actually the only bosses in the game that is going to be. Holders are going to get caviar tokens. Now, the caviar tokens are going to actually be part also of the game. Now, it doesn't mean that you will have to have a fish in order to play the game, but if you're going to have a fish, so you're going to be one of the bosses, and in the game, the bosses will make much more caviar tokens than the regular players in the game. Now, exactly as they say, give a man a fish and you will feed him for a day, but if you will teach him how to hodl a fish, you will feed him for a lifetime. And this is actually exactly like the idea of the passive income, because the beauty in this aspect, you need only to pay once and that's it. You have the potential of investment to have passive income forever. Now, the 8,888 NFT characters are going to be the only bosses in the game. So, and the rarity is going to be determined by how much a boss can earn and how much percent he earns from every soldier. Just like how it was in the Italian mafia in real life. So don't forget that if you want to get into this project or at least to read about it, make sure to click on our link down below or to Google somethingfishy.art. Now, another amazing thing by being a boss is that you will literally be able to choose what's your cut from each soldier in the game, just because you bought an NFT on the pre-sale. Now, new players will be able to join the family without an NFT in the game, but they have to give percentage of what they earn to the family boss. So they both earn tokens. Now, a small tip from me, make sure that you will actually set reminders for every once in a while to go and check on their social medias, on their Twitter, on their Discord, to find out and to hear first about the best opportunities, and maybe even to create several sources of income, because as I said, you will be able to purchase as much NFTs as you want. By the way, I forgot to tell you what is minting. So if you don't know, minting an NFT is actually how the digital art is becoming part of the blockchain, in this case, part of the Solana blockchain. And a public ledger that is actually unchainable with a temper proof is going to be saved in the blockchain. So your digital artwork that is legally yours is going to be represented as an NFT, so it can be purchased and traded in the market, okay? And it's going to be digitally tracked as it resold or collected again in the future. So if you're interested to actually be part of the pre-sale and to actually mint as much as possible, make sure to go to their website by clicking the link down below and actually click in here to get whitelisted to the pre-sale. So for summary, if you're interested to take part of this project and to have the opportunity to purchase as much as possible and to become part of their whitelist, make sure to go to their website by clicking the link down below. If you're interested to actually start getting in more serious in the NFT market and actually purchase several NFTs, whether it's in this product or another, I would totally recommend you to not getting in only to this website, but getting to several projects of NFTs that are in the same field. For example, in this field, Solana NFTs, and actually compare from one to another, and to actually watch also more YouTube videos about it to be able to understand what is a good project, what is a bad project, what is actually a higher risk project, and what is more calculated project. I will totally recommend you to click on our link down below, get into their website, read about it, and actually get whitelisted as fast as possible in order to get the best chances to be able to mint as much project as possible and to have the possibility to have as much passive income as possible in this project, and having the dream of actually making money while you sleep. But make sure that before you're actually investing in this project or in general in any NFT, make sure that in the same field you're going to get into several projects. Or for example, in this aspect, it's Solana NFTs. Make sure that you're checking several projects and learning about different aspects and comparing from one to another in order to have the best chances to make the most of each project. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.